Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw cryptocurrency from Kraken to your bank account. First, download Kraken application on your mobile device, then log into your account through your application. Now it will get verify you, and after verification you can trade, buy, sell, deposit or withdraw in your Kraken account. This is my new Kraken account, and here you can see my verification is pending in this account. Then they will verify me after 24 hours, and that's why I'm not able to show you whole process in practical. But I'm going to tell you what you need to do. You just need to click on the sell button. First you have to sell your cryptocurrency that you have. Now if you have Solana or Bitcoin or Ethereum or Dogecoin, whatever cryptocurrency you have, you just need to sell that and convert that cryptocurrency into USD. That's mean into your currency, and Kraken only supports USD, so you have to convert into the USD, and then you have the USD dollar, US dollar, and after converting you just need to click on this three dot, and from here you will find the withdraw button. Also you will find the withdraw button in portfolio. Here is the deposit and withdraw option. From here in this portfolio option you will find amount of the dollar that you have in your account. Then you just need to simply click on withdraw to withdraw the money from your Kraken account. But first you have to link a bank account to your account. Also you can link your bank account in this withdraw section. Also here you will find a section in this payment method section where you will find bank accounts that available in Kraken. Make sure that you have a bank account on of them. Then you just need to select that bank that you have created account in. Then you can transfer that money from your Kraken account to that bank account easily. That's how you can withdraw crypto from Kraken to your bank account. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.